This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Florida Realty property video is presented by Carolyn Chesser. No need to wait to build your new pool home. Beatty Homes Samuel floor plan is situated in sought-after Southwest Cape Coral. South of Cape Coral Parkway, double glass door entry welcomes you to a spacious open-concept floor plan with 9 feet 4 inches ceilings. Your chef's kitchen offers an oversized island, tall cabinetry, extra storage, walk-in pantry, deep sink and upgraded pendant lighting. The spacious dining area is surrounded by windows out to the lanai. A wall of quad pocketing sliders invites you to the oversized southern exposure lanai, offering a beautiful heated saltwater pool with plenty of entertaining areas. The master bedroom is spacious with walk-in closets, a spa-like bath with walk-in shower and a soaking tub. Bedroom number 3 features an ensuite bath that doubles as a pool bath. Wood-like plank tile in the main living area and luxury vinyl flooring in bedrooms. Impact windows, doors and sliders, upgraded lighting and ceiling fans, whole house water softening system, filtration system here. Quiet and peaceful neighborhood, yet a prime location, walking distance to top-rated restaurants. Cape Harbor is only 1 mile away and Camelot Park nearby. All conveniences you need just around the corner. For more information, review the details below.